Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another SnapSolar tech tip. Today we're looking at the Sungrow range and we're going to dive into reconnecting the inverter with your home Wi-Fi. Now you may want to do this if the inverter loses Wi-Fi connection, or if you change your home internet provider, maybe you've gone from Optus to Telstra as an example. So this is really easy guys, and all you're going to need to do this is your smartphone device and your new Wi-Fi password. So let's dive into it. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our mobile device to our home internet. Go to our Wi-Fi settings, select your home internet and the Wi-Fi which you'd like to connect to, and enter the password. Okay, so we're connecting to the home network. Then we open up the iSolarCloud. In the bottom right hand corner, we select support. And under support, we select wide lane configuration. We're now being asked to scan the QR code on our Wi-Fi dongle. And once we've scanned that, we confirm the device. This brings us to our network page, where we select network. And we choose our home Wi-Fi. Once we've selected the home network, Wi-Fi network, we enter the network password. Once we've entered the password, we ensure that the Wi-Fi device has a flashing illuminated blue wide lane light. In order to do this, we press the dongle button once. Now that dongle has the flashing blue Y-lane light, we're able to continue with the connection, and we hit continue. We've now connected to the home network and we're connected to the server. This brings us to our network page being complete, and we just hit complete. You've now successfully commissioned and reconnected the inverter's Wi-Fi. And when we go back to the dashboard, we'll be able to see that this site is now listed as normal. Alright guys, it's that easy. Thank you for joining us for a SnapSolar tech tip. Stay tuned for some more SnapSolar tech talks, and we'll see you on the next one.